Hey YouTubers, it's me, Mustin07, coming at you once again through the power of OBS Recording Studios, and in this video we have returned with more Blender basics, and in this episode I'm going to be teaching you how to make holes in already existing objects. And the way I'm going to teach you it is I'm going to use my my O-class locomotive that I've been working on for a while for where we left off last time, which was creating the frame. So I just worked on the frame and added this little bit right here because this is part of the locomotive. So now what we're going to want to do to make the hole is first hide this. Don't worry, you're not getting rid of it by hitting the little I button and making it closed. You're just making it invisible. But the reason is because we want to cut out these holes right here. And the way you do it is first make yourself a cube like this, and then what you want to do is you just want to scale it as much as you need to. Now it doesn't matter if this is not in scale with the rest of the frame, because that's not what we're trying to do here. Like, we're just trying to make it the shape we want so that we can use it as a template to cut the hole out. Just do this. Just gonna widen it just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'd say that's good. And then we want to do it again for right here. Now that we've done that, we want to first select each one at a time and go into edit mode. And in edit mode, we want to select hitting shift both of these little edges right here, and then we want to drag them up to about right here because that's where the hole is. Then what we want to do to help make it look a little better and not so sharp, we want to go into face select and hit Control R, and then this little yellow line will pop up. Bring it to about right here, and then what you want to do is hit Control R again and do this. What we're doing is we're making a bunch of bevel cuts so that way we can make it a rounded edge. So then once again just do it again. Then once we've done that, we want to now go through and select all the little black dots again. Just do something like that. And then just do the same for the above as well. Next, what we want to do now that we've created our little shapes that we can use to cut out, we want to go to the big shape right here and hit add modifier, and you want to use Boolean. So pull that up, change it to fast, select your cube right here, then go to apply, and then you should be able to delete it. And look, now there's a hole in our frame. It looks great. And then you just want to do the same with this one. And there you have it. Now you have two holes cut out in a shape. And we're also one step closer to getting our O-class locomotive finished. So that just about does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. As always, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.